If you're experiencing a verification pending status on KuCoin, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your KuCoin account for any verification messages. Sometimes, additional information or confirmation links are sent that need your attention. Step 2. Review your documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Resubmit your documents. If your documents were rejected or if you suspect they were not clear enough, log into your KuCoin account to resubmit the necessary identification documents. Follow the guidelines provided on the platform carefully. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification status remains pending after resubmitting, reach out to KuCoin's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation to get assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support or resubmitting your documents, wait for a confirmation email regarding your verification status. This process may take some time, so be patient while they review your information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on KuCoin. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.